Have you ever wondered how to capture an entire vibrant summer into one tiny slice of pineapple? Our journey begins in the vast pineapple fields, where these golden diamonds are hand-picked at their peak ripeness. Each fruit is carefully selected for its honey-sweet flavor and intense aroma, ready for a spectacular transformation inside the factory. Entering the production line, the pineapples undergo a battle for cleanliness. High-pressure water jets and intelligent brush systems scrub away every speck of dirt, revealing a polished, shiny skin. But cleanliness isn't enough. They are also treated in an ozone sparkling bath to ensure absolute purity before moving into deep processing. And this is where the real magic begins. Look at that. In the blink of an eye, ultra-sharp stainless steel blades strip away the rugged skin and punch out the tough core. Perfectly cylindrical, golden fruit bodies emerge like a magic trick. No margin for error, no wasted movement. This is the sheer power of modern food technology. wish. Identical pineapple slices fall like golden coins. Every thickness is meticulously calculated so that during dehydration, the pineapple achieves the ideal chewiness without losing its signature tangy sweetness, slice by slice. This uniformity is the key to a perfect sensory experience in every single bag. Before heading to the oven, the pineapples are blanched in a gentle steam to lock in their vibrant natural color. A touch of honey or light syrup is added, seeping into every fiber, not to mask the flavor, but to celebrate the innate sweetness of this tropical treasure. The dryer doors close, and a period of stillness begins. For 12 hours, under steady, circulating hot air, the water slowly evaporates, leaving only the essence behind. Witness the transformation, from juicy slices to luxurious amber treasures, tender, chewy, and infused with the scent of the sun. This isn't just drying. This is the condensation of excellence. The final slices are ready, precisely weighed and preserved in modern vacuum packaging to keep them as fresh as the moment they left the kiln. A healthy, natural snack, bursting with energy. Are you ready to taste a piece of summer?
Would you like me to refine any of these specific scenes or help you with the technical settings for the Veo model?